Miss Silja Serenade. Elevator 9. The 19th pronounced in 2019, late 2019, so this is brand new. 3299 and 9. Also, I have 30 euro has been pronounced late 2019. It's brand new. The floor, all these navigators were also in August 2019. But I didn't film them at that time because I thought that they are not going to be modernized so soon. But third floor, for some reason they modernized all these ones before 4 indicators. They are still original, but I have already filmed 3 videos of them, so I don't need to film them anymore. But I filmed 2 recently modernized ones. Third floor. At the 18% of 2000 kilograms, inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Liftcom. Floor. That's it.